Hi everyone. This is just a simple tutorial of how to create a studio inside of Discovery Education. Similar to if you were doing like a one-page poster in class, you're going to actually do it digitally though. And so you can see the very first place that we need to be is Clever. A lot of times I see students in class trying to use Discovery or log into Discovery without going through Clever first, and then they find out that they can't do that. So go to Clever. And then find Discovery inside your Clever. It might look different than what mine looks like, but you'll find Discovery and you'll go inside of it. So I'm just going to click. Okay. And obviously my page looks quite a bit different than your page. That's because I have a lot more things as a teacher than you will. But the main thing that should remain the same, and you might have to click something, I think it might be over in this area for you guys. But you're looking for this thing here. It's called Studio. And we've done studios in class before, so I know that you're somewhat familiar with this, but we're just reviewing it again. So click Studio. And what opens up should be a page pretty similar to this. This page should look almost identical to yours. Obviously, I have a lot of different studios that I've played with and practiced with. But I want to show you how easy this is to create a studio. So once you're on the studio page, you're going to hit Let's Create. You can start from scratch or you can create from template. It's your choice. I find it easier just to go from scratch, so I'm going to do that. Okay, this is your studio. Very blank, very nice and ready to go. You can see right on the right immediately you have background. Okay, right now it's set to blank. I can change it to different colors if I want. If I want to leave it blank, or I can give it a background. And so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put the galaxy background because we're working in space right now. Awesome. So now I have my background. I'm pretty happy. Notice there's some delete, copy, undo, redo, lots of different things here, okay? But the main thing that you need is right here. Okay? This little blue plus adds a lot of different things that you can do to your studio. So the first thing that you need for each one is a title. So I'm going to do a headline, okay? In your assignment, I said that your title should be a question that is on your worksheet. Okay, so there's, I think, 3 questions, which means you should have 3 different pages and 3 different titles. I'm just going to put in a question here. All right, so now I have my title, and this is similar to what yours should look like. You can change the background if you want. If you're trying to, get through this and get it done, I don't suggest wasting your time with all that. I'm not really going to look at your creativity, but you're more than welcome to if you want. So now I've added, how do I create a studio? That's my question. In the activity, I said that you need to have an answer in your own words. So I'm going to go back to this plus, and I'm going to hit text. And the next thing it's going to put here is a little text box where I can put my answer in words, okay? In my own words. You need to write things in your own words, guys. You cannot copy and paste for this. This does not work for me, okay? So now that I've done that, I also put inside your one-pager requirements that you should add a video or a picture. Okay? And so it's really easy to do that. If you click this blue plus again, and you go all the way up here to Search Discovery Education, you can click on that. Okay? I've already typed in this, so I do that. I hit search, okay? And usually it's going to pop up down here where I can click on video or images, and I can look at different things, okay, that I think would be important. And so if I have watched one of these videos before, or I see this video, how the solar system formed, I'm just going to go ahead and click that. I'm going to say add it. All right. So now I've added a video. Awesome. And so maybe I need to watch the video to find out what it's about, right? Because also in the requirements, I said that you need to write what the video is about. So how do I write what the video is about? Where do I do that, Mr. Savo? I'm going to go ahead and click the plus button again. And I'm going to hit text again. And then I am going to be able to say, this video is about, and I say what it's about. Okay, congrats. That's my first page all done. Okay. So the next step If I click on the page here, I can add a second page and a third page, and now I can go ahead and finish my studio. Remember, each page should have a different question. Each page should have a written answer and a picture or video with an explanation. This is how I guarantee that you know what you're supposed to know. If you can do this, you are going to be very successful on our test at the end of next week. Okay? If you have any other questions, please add them to the questions and answers channel on our classroom page. I will do my best to answer them as fast as I can, or maybe one of your peers could help you out as well. Go ahead and take care of this, and I think that's it. Savo out.